Okanagan region by Clearwater, British Columbia to explore Wells Gray Provincial Park.
I can see why people visit Wells Gray Provincial Park. Over 20 waterfalls, and this park is one of the biggest here in BC. Tons of activities. There's canoeing, hiking, whitewater rafting, and flight seeing with a bird's eye view.
We came all the way from Germany to do this beautiful scenic flight here, and we saw everything, the beautiful landscape, very remote lakes. It was great, simply great.
All right, time to go whitewater rafting! And now that we're done whitewater rafting on the Clearwater River, we're heading up to Clearwater Lake for a boat tour.
We do jet boat tours into Azure Lake, as well as canoe trips. It's a very beautiful and spiritual place, and one can get connected to it very, very quickly. You spend a few days up here and you're gonna find yourself completely lost in the water and the mountains. It is definitely spectacular, and it is worth it to come out and visit it.
Checking out Spahat's Falls and Helmkin Falls, beautiful places in Wells Gray Park.
And a short hike from the parking lot, you get to see Helmkin Falls. I'm excited because it's my first time and I hear they're amazing.
So we've been hiking all day and we get to end it seeing this beautiful waterfall.